Ciao to everybody, dear friends, amici of 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲cie. Today I'm happy to share with you my personal 7 reasons to visit Abruzzo. So, number 1, the warm hospitality of the local people. Number 2, Abruzzo is off the beaten track and a short drive from Rome. Number 3, the gastronomic heritage. Number 4, Abruzzo is green and has many breathtaking views. It's the greenest region of Europe. Number 5, the many medieval enchanted villages. Number 6, the incredible and fascinating 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗄 coast. And number 7, finally, my hometown, my loved Vasto, an ancient Roman town overlooking the Adriatic Sea. Ciao for now for the next video, and write in your comments your opinion about Abruzzo. Ciao ciao from Fabrizio.